Yes, George, what's going on?
So I was in the army 7.5 years, do private contracting and part-time postie.
Tigers, isn't it? Tigers.
Tigers, yeah.
Rawr. Rawr.
Yes, lads, you join me on a CQB mission. We need to breach and hold a building deep in enemy territory for as long as possible.
Or we could rotate round. Hit him. Got him. Got him. Watch out, there's a load of them there. Magazine, there's a load moving right to left. Oh my god, I got him. Got him as well, no way. I got a sick angle here. Sick angle.
11 o'clock, through the bushes, that's the objective.
Got him. We need him at 5 in the top window. You go left, you go left, you go left, you go left, I go right. Watch out, get down, this angle's brutal. Behind. Watch out, you should get an angle for that, Perry. Look down that way, you get an angle. Cross in.
They're coming up on this corner.
You're gonna get hit there,
I hit him twice. No. Bottom.
Come on, peek that corner. Come on, peek me. Peek me, go on.
You got him?
Yeah. One close, watch out, 2 meters, he made it across. Yeah, one place change, way taller than me. Directly 5 o'clock. Angle straight down, 11 o'clock. Yeah! One down, bottom right corner. Yeah, he's down. Gotta say, why is he not calling that? Joe, this is not safe. Bottom floor, not safe.
Thank you. Oh mate, I'm just man down. Pistol. I'm going back to my pistol.
George, come here. Good call. Great! George, stage close. George, got a grenade down there.
I haven't got one.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
Great!
George, yes you do. Get down, get your head down.
That should be fine.
We're not, Dad. No, no one said anything. Yeah. My plan has worked.
Nico, I am your f***ing saviour! Yeah! Mate, I just got like 13 people in there.
Let's go!
With the men out of ammunition, that is the end of the video. Guys, I have an awesome podcast which I shoot live on Twitch. If you want to get into Airsoft and need advice, make sure to check it out. I'm live every day, 5 PM BST. Go to twitch.tv/I Names Nicco. The episodes are then posted on my second YouTube channel called More Names Nicco.
I'm running my Wolverine Anti-W, the John Wick pistol from Tyrant Tactical. And I'll also be running these Tectonic impact grenades, which have 7 uses, and I run 2 under my armpits. We traded. I got on your beard.
Gore-Tex shoes never flowing wet. Solomon vibes, them and know they dead. TM416 Delta, never CQB wanna blow their head.